Hello everybody, I am back for month number 2, following up on the biotin, the liquid biotin, to let you know so you can be able to see how far I've come in 2 months. When I started out with the measurement, I believe I started out about 16.5. I think that's what we settled on. And then month 1 it was 17 and it was almost 17.5. So it was almost an inch. And so today, let's see where we are now. I know it was less than an inch, just barely less than an inch, but we were almost there. And that was with me taking it or only 22 days. So I didn't take it a full month and I did get those results. So let's see where we are now. But before we get there, I just want to remind you to comment, rate, and subscribe. Please be sure to share this video. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will know whenever I upload another video. So here we go. Now I am going to be looking at a mirror behind the camera here, just to try to position this in the part. Okay. And if I move closer, you won't be able to see the bottom of the measurements. Here, getting pretty thin right there. You see that? It's almost 18. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. Let's try it again. Now I like to measure more than one time. Trying to be as accurate as possible. Once again, okay. Pretty thin, about right here. We're gonna stop right there. That puts us over 18. Sorry, my face is in the camera, so it's trying to focus on my face, but you see that, guys? That's where we are. So is it safe to say 18? A little over 18? Now, I have a confession. This right here, I've only taken this month about 10 days. 10 days, I lost the bottle. I decided to put the bottle in my purse to take it with me, and I couldn't find it. So something's working, okay? What I was looking for when I decided to take this was the thickness. I want my hair to thicken. I have very thin hair from the scarring alopecia that I have. But I'm seeing the length, and length was never a problem for me because my hair grows. I usually average a ½ inch a month, but I've been doing this now for 2 months and we're almost 2 solid inches. So with that being said, there's definitely an increase with just the little amount of biotin that I've taken. So if you add all my days together, the 20 some odd days plus the 10 something days, I've only been taking it for a month within the 2 months, if you want to, let's keep it real. So basically I can't say it will or will not work for you, because to each his own. It all depends. There's still other variables that will help your hair grow. So if you're drinking your water, if you're eating properly, that helps. If you're getting plenty of sleep, if you don't have problems with your iron being too low, or your vitamin D, because the lack of iron and vitamin D will cause the hair to fall out. So you might want to check with your doctor to make sure that your levels are where they need to be. But other than that, I'm happy with the results. Again, I wanted to at least get to 18. I think I said that in the first video, if you want to look back on the first one, and I'm there. So I'm excited about that. So again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Please share this video. Will I continue to take it? I'm not quite sure, because I'm not consistent. But you know, maybe if I put it back by my bed and I see it, I'll take it. But if there are any changes, I will let you know. And also, I'm still going to be following up with you guys with a lot of other hair videos. I do want to share my story so you can see where my hair started before I cut it, and when I shaved it all off, and to where I am now. I've been growing my hair about 6 years, I think, now, and it's doing pretty good, and I'm happy about that. So I'll be happy to share those with you in a future video. So thank you so much for coming back on my channel again, and I will be following up with you in probably a week from now. Okay, so you guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.